this tea. So good! Ladies and gentlemen, Gobi is here and today I got some proper Chinese tea equipment. So I'm gonna make some real delicious Chinese tea because I love it. I just can't wait. Let's see what we got. I think that's a tea towel. Oh. That's it. I've just ordered a couple of spice jars because I'd like to keep the tea in a separate place into a good quality jar. Oh, I got a cute spoon. That's a nice wood spice jar. Just perfect. So I got some proper tea from China. This one is an oolong tea. This one is green with jasmine. And this one is white. I just love Chinese tea. It's so delicious and so healthy. For this tea, I've ordered this ceramic teapot. It's very handy. Comes with a cup. Highly recommend. And I've already put some oolong tea in the jar. Look at this. Oh, it's super healthy. I just love it. So it's time to make some tea and get back for the plants. Go. My tea is ready. Woo. How about yours? So now let me just talk about my future plans. Next week we're gonna travel home, back to Hungary for a couple weeks. You know, just a family visit before Christmas. It's really important. And we're gonna travel to Budapest, organizing the wedding because we're gonna get married next year, next June. Super excited. And I'm gonna make a review about the hotel. Actually, it's a second home Budapest apartment. We're coming. And then we're gonna go to London, spend 2 nights there in the Abbey Court Hotel, Hyde Park. And then a couple more product reviews come in. I got a smartwatch, and I got a drone. Wait, a drone? Hell yeah, a drone! And I got a couple of filters for the drone. So a review's come in. This tastes really good. And then you might see my own beanie. I like it. I'm gonna make the same just with a snapback, but you know, for winter it's better. And I'm gonna make a tutorial how to make your own, if you're interested. I'm gonna make a video about GoPro accessories, the cheap ones, and cheap jewelries about more expensive brands, copies, obviously. And that's it. Yeah, stay tuned for the next videos, guys. Thanks for watching this. I hope you like it, enjoy your drink, and see you guys in the next video. Peace!